The aerospace industry circles the globe with surprising speed, efficiency, and safety. It opens up a world of opportunity and expectation never experienced by humankind. The aerospace industry goes to great lengths to make sure you are not left waiting at the airport to hear tragic news. The industry developed the expectation for everyone to arrive on time and in safe condition. For 6 decades, Guyson Corporation has played a role in aerospace shot peening, surface preparation for coatings, paint, and cosmetic finishes. We have consistently hit the tightest specifications, including mil-spec AMS 2432 for metal bead shot peening, mil-spec P11T3 for wet blast ceramic media peening, and mil-spec 8625 for anodizing. Each of these are achieved on a consistent and high production basis. Guyson remains one of the few companies in the world that can electronically monitor all blast processes and shut down the machine if blast perimeters or specifications vary in the blasting process. When flying at 10 to 30,000 feet, every aircraft part is a critically manufactured item. Whether it is military, commercial, or private aircraft, Guyson has the history, knowledge, and experience in our engineers and machine builders to make sure you are not left waiting.